Back at it again. As you can see, I'm very sweaty on the adventure. I'm not ready to exactly where I am, but I'm going to show a tiny piece. I'm not going to be here in maybe 5 minutes or so. So guys, if you want to see exactly where we are, because it's nice, you're going to have to watch all the contents. Coming soon. Let me flip the camera. No. Yes. Hold on a bit. Normal. Yes. Trust me. Very nice. But you have to be very fit also. Yeah? At this point, I'm really tired. But I'm going. Surely a place like this we need to live. Understand? I mean, the journey for the up and down kind of a little bit weird still. But when I live, I say at peace. Yeah. No noise, no stress. I mean, mosquito, yeah, but differently from the mosquito. Nothing to worry about, man. Yeah, but none about me, so I don't know how. I mean, one time I did down there a while ago, I get maybe one or two. Down there, so. Yeah, for right now, I don't have a problem with them. Look at all that green. Beautiful sunshine. Look, birds and nature. Down the hill we go, you know. To do what? Okay. Yes. So guys, listen to tour guide, you know. The tour guide said plant the stick. You need some help, baby? Tour guide is there to your rescue, man. No need to worry. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm not give you no information at where we are right now. You know where the Shelly? Left it as a surprise, man. When them see the video, I'm gonna say, wow. Where you find this place? Yeah? And I can recommend the tour guide. Good tour guide, man. You know what I mean? So I tell you the area and the place. Can't come work with the same tour guide. And that's where we're coming from. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know about nobody, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it here. So on the hike, and trust me, at the end, it's going to be worth it, I'm telling you. Where we're heading right now, most Jamaicans have no idea. Yeah. Hot and sweaty, you know. Jaja. sharing it. So continuing down the mountain. Yeah. Unfit, but going. Boom. But see, look at me drop on my face back here, sir. Me drop on my face back here, sir, man. Whisk. Yeah. See this? Whisk the vines. We call this one a wicker. Yeah. Have a lot of purpose. We use them to make bed and chair and so forth, no? How about that? So, yeah, man, I'm come show it. This one, you strip it. Yeah? Strip the skin off and inside have this material looking like a vine sill. We use that to make chairs, tables, bed. Hmm? Yeah, man. Yeah. Whisk chair, yeah, man. Tour guide say, we flat the whisk. And that way in there. I go.
Here.
Way in there.
Here.
And that yourself?
You know this.
You gone inside, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. You can't gone. Where you gone?
Fine.
Where in there? Ah, see, man. Yeah, man. This are the soldier crab, guys. Come, relax. I'm not hurting you, bro. Yeah, guys, this are the soldier crab. Hold on. Gimbal a flip out. Yeah. Very nice bait. If you're fishing. Yeah, but that's not the mission today, guys. I'm just showing you. And then we're going to let him go, you know. 2 claws, very... When we say powerful or strong, because this thing are definitely have a lot of strength, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, but let him free, guys. Yeah, man, road. You know, we actually have soldier crab race where you bet who's crab faster. Yeah, man. Jamaica too, we do that still. Yeah, man. You bet them to see who are like which crab faster. Every man bet them $5 or them $1,000. You know where you go? And I saw you go Rasta. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Tour guide up ahead. But I'm surprised Stephanie managed the journey still. Yeah, manage. I like how you're keeping up. Yeah, I like how you're keeping up. Even though we're going down still. Yeah. Coming up with a different task. Maybe I have to go behind her and like push her up the hill, you know? Take your time, baby. Yeah, man, she coming. Wow. That's where we're coming from, guys. And that's just, I don't know, maybe like a quarter of the journey already. Again, very unique location. Not giving any information where we are. I will be posting all them videos. What a Ameisen. Liebe Gott. Alter. Obi, tell you, but I do this again in a bit. I need to go to the gym first. Get myself in shape. Tired, sweaty. Huh?
So we walk come up.
Come Stephanie, use the stick, you know. You need to use the stick because this part kind of bit, it's a bit steep right now, yeah.
What did I tell you?
Hmm?
What did I tell you? Don't call me Stephanie like that.
Okay, Shakti. Guys, just enjoying Mother Nature, you know.
I'm gonna enjoy when I'm done walking. That's it. At the moment, I just try to like,
Even here says it's a very perfect spot for photographers.
Yeah,
Yeah, for photographers, it's a very good spot. And bird watchers.
right.
Yeah, man.
Even if you're doing something like you're doing like a movie editing and stuff like that,
Yeah,
you can have piece of this in it
yeah.
and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean, it look kind of movie scene-ish.
Yeah, when you reach certain part of your thing, I get
The internet connection down in the mountain here is not so strong. It's reconnecting